How to share Instagram story to your Facebook story. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram story to Facebook story. To share your Instagram story to your Facebook story, you can simply link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and then in this page, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you will be taken to this page. Here at the very top, you'll be able to see the option Account Center. Go ahead and tap on it and now you will be taken to Account Center section. Under it, here you will need to look for Connected Experiences section and just under it, you will be able to see the option Sharing Across Profiles. Go ahead and tap on this option and from here you will need to select the Instagram account. Once selected, here you will be able to see the section Automatically Share. From here, find your Instagram story and then tap on the toggle button at the right side to enable it. After doing this, now your Instagram stories will be automatically shared to your Facebook story. So by following these steps, you should be able to share your Instagram story to your Facebook story. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.